lightning. Oh my gosh. It's lightning.
Look at that, Nathaniel, you can see it getting bigger.
Oh wow.
It's like spreading out, Cass.
It's about time we got something like this. Oh my word, it's gonna get so windy and so rainy so fast. It's not even
Look at
funny.
it. Look at it.
I'm watching. This is gonna get bad.
Cassie, let me know when the lights go.
Holy crap! I might as well get ready to go.
Go, banana.
Wow!
Go, banana. Holy crap, this is awesome. It's green. Why is it green? It's gonna...
No, it's just the angle of the sun and stuff.
The wind.
Yeah. Wow. Holy moly. A little bit of air flowing in here. This is nuts. The lightning. Sweet. Yeah, Amber said she got quarter sized. Oh man, it's gonna get raining so hard. So hard.
Oh boy.
Wow. There it is. That's it. Wow. Lots of rain.
That's hail. I saw hail.
Yeah, there's hail. There is hail.
I saw hail about
There it is. It's bouncing.
Yep.
Whoa, it's quarter sized. Or dime.
Whoa. Now there's large dime.
Sorry.
Yeah, about 15 cents.
Yeah. Dude, we should stop and get a sample.
I have an idea.
But, oh man, come on.
Alright, I have an idea. Can't really stop and move.
No. Wow. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. Road right here. On this.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
Hey, we can go to Rooster's house.
No.
Alright.
Holy crap.
I'll get some.
Holy crap. Oh, ow. Oh, ow.
Hey, why'd you do that? You dummy. I want to see it. Alright.
We got some good ones. Yeah. Wow.
Did you bring that out with you?
Cassidy, stop. Wow, this is awesome. About time we got something.